G'day, I'm Matthew Evans and I've got a book out called On Eating Meat. And it's about the ethics of eating meat. Should we eat meat? Should we not eat meat? And what are the actual impacts? I've been a vegetarian, I'm a chef by trade, I'm actually a farmer. So I grow food, I grow vegetables, I grow fruit, I've got animals on the farm, and I know the true costs of agriculture. So this book's trying to demystify it for those who are interested in where their food comes from, want to know and trust what they eat.